Greetings, adventurers. Welcome to Happy Trail Backpacking. Today we have a special hike planned. Let's get going. Alright, folks. I am here. It is late. It is about 10:30 at night. So we're doing a night hike today. But we're at a special place. I don't want to give it away quite yet, but this is a little more of an urban hike than normal. So, come on, let's go. I also want to give you some clues. This is a national park, and it closes at 11 o'clock, which is in 30 minutes, so this is going to be a quick video. Over here behind me, we got the Mississippi River, which is Illinois on the other side. I am in Missouri currently. Ladies and gentlemen, Gateway Arch. It is unbelievable how humongous this thing is. So they're obviously closed now, so I can't go up into it. But I did have plans to be back here in June. And I think there might have been plans to go up into it, but I don't know if I want to do that. That is so much bigger than I anticipated. One cool fact that I learned was it's as wide as it is tall. So across the base is just as tall as it is high. Man, pretty awesome feat of engineering. So, Gateway Arch National Park. Pretty awesome. And for 11 o'clock at night, it was actually a pretty nice little hike. It seemed pretty safe. I was kind of questionable. I was like, downtown St. Louis at 11 o'clock at night, meh. But there were a bunch of police and park rangers, hanging out. It seemed pretty safe. People were out having a grand old time. It was much bigger than I expected. Crazy. Amazing engineering feat, especially for its day. Man, if only we could build stuff like that today. Anyway, thanks everyone for joining me. I'll see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.